Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening your drawing and verifying annotation scale and units. This matters because text height depends on scale. Next, select whether you're measuring single-line text or M-text, since M-text can wrap and change visual height. Then inspect the text style. Its set height, whether height is 0 using height override, and if it's annotative, these settings determine whether you measure the style default or an instance override. Once done, you're ready to measure actual on-screen height. Now measure. With the text selected, open Properties or Run List to read the text height in drawing units. If the text style height is 0, you must read the inserted object's height override. To convert to plotted or on-screen size, multiply that height by the annotation scale factor. This gives display height. If the text is annotative, make sure the current viewport scale matches the annotation scale, so the computed display height equals the intended plotted measurement. To finish, set the text style height or use object-level overrides to achieve your target plotted size, and confirm viewport scale matches annotation scale so the text plots correctly. Make sure annotative objects have the correct scale in their scale list, otherwise Autocad will display unexpected sizes. If things go wrong, toggle the annotative property off and on to refresh, or use list to spot mismatched heights. This reveals whether a style or instance override is.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.